PTPL Tubing and Products Private Limited is the company located in central India, hyperactive towards the fulfillment of new challenges and discoveries in this fast-track culture. For more than 3 decades, this company has been prominent in the field of steel tubes, with an unmatched production capacity of 20 million meters per month in India. The company's name has been symbolized for its quality, trust, innovation, and technology. PTPL Tubing is a leading brand manufacturer of refrigeration tubes. This company manufactures single-wall welded steel tubes on a state-of-the-art manufacturing setup. These steel tubes excel in meeting global standards on various quality parameters and are being manufactured in standard sizes with outer diameter ranges from 3.18 millimeters to 12 millimeters, with a wall thickness range of 0.5 millimeters to 1 millimeter. The mission of the company is to strive to continuously attain and sustain best-in-class status as a manufacturer by achieving the highest quality with the lowest cost to work on customers' satisfaction. These high-quality tubes pass through various manufacturing processes which start from raw material. The raw material used for production is characterized by the purity of composition and appropriate parameters. The raw materials in wide coils form are transported from the storage area to mass processing facilities, where they can get slitted into suitable narrow width. The company has an in-house facility of slitting where we shear the wide coil of raw material into narrower coils in a very precise manner depending on the tube size manufacturers at the next process. The operation follows a simple process: unwinding the wide coil, shearing with the cutter, and rewinding of narrow coils. The slitted coils from the slitting line are moved to the next process of the tube manufacturing, where the steel strip gets the final shape of the tube in a very particular manner. In this manufacturing operation, the single slit coil is loaded on an uncoiler, followed by the process of forming, where the strip gets converted into tube form by passing through various rolls gradually. Then it gets welded through a solid-state high-frequency welding system, then sizing, and finally, the welded tube gets wound into coil form. The next operation is draw, where the parent tube gets converted into final required tube size. In this process, the parent tube is passed through drawing dies to get the desired size. Another stage is the continuous annealing line, where the tube is heated at a specific temperature inside the furnace and then allowed to cool slowly. The process is used to soften the tube, which got hardened in the previous process of drawing in terms of cold working. Leak testing. It has to be the most important inspection method, where we ensure that each and every coil must be 100% leak-proof by testing it at very high pressure. Another process involves the surface treatment on the tube surface, where we have a wide range of coating lines covering zinc plating line and copper plating line. These lines are very much capable enough to get the desired surface treatment, like copper coating or zinc coating, in precise range of coating thickness based on the requirement of customer and product application. The plated coils are then shifted to the rewinding line, where it gets wound tightly for proper shape and dimensions, in terms of coil ID, OD, and height. Now the coils are ready to pack and finally are shifted to an automatic packing line, where it is wrapped with different types of packing material looking to the transit time or shelf, like a VCI paper, stretch film, HDPE, and ultimately, the coils are palletized on a wooden pallet. These refrigeration tube coils are further consumed to make the final products like wire-on-tube condenser, skin condenser, hot loop, and many more. Having its application in single-door refrigerator, double-door refrigerator, VC cooler, deep freezer, and so on. Some of our valued customers. Being an ISO and TS certified company, the tubes and its components are tested to international standards under strict supervision of highly qualified and experienced technocrats to satisfy and meet the most critical demands of reputed industry users for various applications. Our commercial block, our sales block. Thank you for watching the video.